Grape 5s are finally back after a decade, and for the first time in a minute, I feel like Jordan Brand didn't miss on nothing when it comes to these. From the shape to the Nike Air on the back, every little hit in my opinion is hitting. So I definitely am excited to throw these on feet for y'all, since a lot of y'all requested it. Let me give y'all a quick brief description on the Jordan 5 Grapes. The original Jordan 5 Grape was released in 1990, and these were actually designed by Tinker Hatfield. In my opinion, one of the best designers that ever put their hands on Jordans, cause when he was gone, the whole shit was mainly dookie, bruh. Believe it or not, this is the only pair of Jordan 5s that wasn't in the Bulls colorway. You could kind of say the metallic 5s weren't as well, but those are an all black colorway. These right here are completely left field, and you can see the inspiration from the 90s. Somebody in my last video about these said that they missed the Taco Bell color sneakers, bruh, and I kinda see it, bro.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
These look like Taco Bell on the inside, for real. This is actually the first time they put Nike Air on these ever since the OGs. I'm telling y'all, bro, they didn't miss on nothing when it comes to these. The toe box is slimmer, which looks way better than that other shit they were doing in the past, where the toe box was way wider. The toe box on the Grapes is way more slim than the olives they dropped last year. Like, low key, these bitches look fake compared to these. I hate this generation of Jordan 5s. It's low-key the main reason why I wasn't buying 5s. But with these right here, it hits different, bro. They brought them back 100% from the Nike Air on the back. Like I said earlier, they never had Nike Air on these ever since the OG pair in 1990. I wasn't even born, you feel me? So I low-key love this for me right here. And the Taco Bell colors can't go wrong with it. Inside of these has that turquoise. Before I break down all the details on the Jordan 5 Grape, make sure y'all leave a like on this video down below. 400 likes is the goal for this one. Also subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 50K, and the faster y'all sub up, the faster we'll get there. If you are new, make sure you comment down below that you're a new sub so I could welcome y'all the proper way. But as promised, let's go ahead and get into the details from the outsole, working our way up. You do have that emerald green Jumpman under the icy blue bottom, as well as that Nike Air. As y'all know, when they put Nike Air on the back, they put the Nike on the outsole. Moving our way to the upper, we do have the shark teeth in that new emerald color with the grape ice wrapping around it. We also do have that black wrapping around the heel of the sneaker, with that emerald on the Nike Air looking ever so spicy. Wrapping all the way around, we do have that emerald with that grape ice. You have the little pill cutouts on the mesh, but the shape on these has to be the best feature in my opinion, because you have that cut that's perfect. That's kind of the main reason why I've been bringing it up so much, but everything on here is white. It's a clean, pure white, not an off-white color on this pair, which I am enjoying because they've been throwing that shit on everything, including one of my favorites, the military blues. They hit these with that off-white. You could see that pure cocaina white on the Grape 5s, and I needed it to be that way, bro. You have that purple tongue with the turquoise Jumpman, and then on the inside of the tongue, you get that same hit of turquoise with that Air Jordan upside down. And if y'all didn't know that, so if you do this, these have an emerald green insole with the purple Nike Air. Besides y'all seeing these on feet, that's pretty much it for them, bro. These have a black toggle, and you can actually see the Nike on it. That's pretty much every little detail on the Jordan 5 Grapes. By now, y'all probably know that I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. No complaints if you ask me. Damn near the perfect retro, bro. They gave them every little detail that we needed, but without doing too much. They didn't switch no colors, didn't switch no materials. It's just perfect. When we ask for retros as sneakerheads, this is low-key what we asking for. The perfect changes when it comes to shape, the little hits that reference the OGs, no color changes, material changes. Perfect, bro. Perfection for real. And And I know on feet, these are gonna look spicy. I don't know if it has to do with the personal nostalgia that I feel, but these shits go crazy. So I was doing some research and I found out that the Grape 5s wasn't actually debuted by Jordan, being that it's a purple and blue shoe. He never could really wear them playing for the Bulls in the NBA, especially in the 90s, where I famously remember seeing these was on Fresh Prince of Bel-Air by Will Smith. And if y'all remember, he actually wore them without the laces, which ended up becoming a thing because in 2018, Jordan Brand actually released the Fresh Prince pair without no laces. And a lot of sneakerheads ended up buying them and actually making the holes to put the laces on them, which is actually insanity in my opinion. I feel like the wait was well worth it for me, at least, because I do get that nostalgia hit. And since it's been so long since I had them, they honestly just hit a little bit different. But yes, quick fact, Jordan never actually wore these on court. These low-key became more popular because of Will Smith in the 90s. Now, obviously, I'm not saying Jordan didn't have nothing to do with it, because he was out here souffling people in the metallic 5s, but never in the Grapes. So I thought I should just add that to this video real quick. They're actually set to release June 21st at a retail of $210. Let me know in the comments if this is a pair you're gonna be going for. Personally, I wouldn't sleep on these. These days, Jordan Brand is making these sneakers a little bit more limited, and that's the main reason why a lot of them have been selling out, especially colorways that people want. Like, people aren't just buying every sneaker that releases, but when it comes to these OGs, we've been gobbling these bitches up. Pause, bro. 100, what the fuck? We've been eating these retros. That shit sound crazy too, bro. Damn. They look good, bro. People are buying them, okay? Personally, I feel like Grape 5s is gonna be one of those ones that ends up selling out. We recently saw what happened with Ferrari 14s. Them bitches flew, bro, out the building. Them shits is gone. And it might happen again with these right here. We're seeing that quantity is a little more limited with these obscure models, especially in these special colorways. So I wouldn't be surprised if these actually end up selling out. I don't think they'll go as fast as Ferrari 14s, but I don't see them sitting around like UNC 1s or anything like that, to be honest. This is a beautiful colorway. Execution is on the money. Everything on these is on point. So if the stock numbers are low enough, we could see these actually doing something. I know on feet these gonna be solid too, but I appreciate y'all for watching this video to the end. If you did make it all the way here, let me know what your favorite ice cream flavor is. For me, dulce de leche, can't sleep on it, bro. There's no other way around it. It's either that, or if I go to like an ice cream parlor, I might get the Reese's version of whatever they got. I love that shit too. But yeah, Grape 5s are in the books. I appreciate y'all for making it this far. If you enjoyed, 400 likes is the goal for this video. Go down below and leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel because we about to start going crazy. 50,000 subscribers is what I'm aiming for. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all who made it this far into the video. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos, bro. That's what YouTube's recommending you to watch based on your previous history. It's not me. Sometimes it might be if I direct you to one of the videos, but for the most part, YouTube be doing their thing. If you enjoy one of those two videos, consider subscribing because we got a bunch more heat on the way. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left for real. Tomorrow ain't promised, but I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.